This is a final video to fix the download failed error in Brave browser. Are you tired of seeing your download stop and fail every time? This problem happens because Brave sometimes blocks downloads from certain websites or conflicts with extensions and security settings. Many tutorials online make you go through long, confusing steps that barely work. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that solves this issue in just a few clicks. You don't need to dig into hidden folders or change complicated settings. This method works fast and keeps your browser safe. If you want to make a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I will show you exactly how to fix it easily. Follow this trick, and your downloads will start working perfectly again.